CuOS Daydream is a result of a minimalistic yet refined thought. We strive to blur the boundaries between reality and virtual reality and deliver unforgettable experiences. Combined with the numerous entertainment features, enjoy conducting your business within CuROOM, complementary with the ultimate virtual reality experience CuROOM has to offer. It enables guests to book the room they are currently visiting within CuROOM. Online radio channels, YouTube, Apple TV+, email, web browser, and so much more were all integrated into this incredible product. It unlocks world-class entertainment so the customer can enjoy the room they are visiting longer. This is CuOS Daydream.